Well, the state of Florida just had its sixth execution of the year this week. Now there's the potential for even more in years to come. WEAR Sarah Gale has details of a new law that expands the crimes that qualify for capital punishment to include people who sexually assault children.
This week, a new law to allow the death penalty for child rapists took effect. This law primarily pertains to children under the age of 12 in cases of sexual battery.
One of the most horrific things you can do, taking the innocence away from a child. And this bill that was passed really makes the punishment fit the crime.
Florida State Representative Michelle Salzman is a proponent of this law. She says that it has the potential to be a deterrent.
There have been some interesting bills coming out of Florida this week, such as the multiple proposals that would allow the death penalty for anyone who sexually batters a child under the age of 12, which was approved unanimously, or the vote to allow the death penalty on a split jury. Out of the 27 states that allow the death penalty, Florida is now one of 4 that allows it based on a split jury. Now you might be thinking, people who harm children deserve the worst penalties in the world, and sure. But I want us to think about how we keep having these scares focused around minorities about how we are going to harm the children, we are going to be predators, we are going to be etc. Giving the government the right to murder just means they have to redefine who deserves murder before you are on that list, before we are on that list.
Summary analysis. A person 18 years of age or older who commits sexual battery upon, or in an attempt to commit sexual battery injures the sexual organs of a person less than 12 years of age commits a capital felony under S. 775. 0821. FS. A capital felony is punishable by a sentence of death or life imprisonment without the possibility of parole.